Hey there! For today's video, we will be having Freya's fourth pre-birthday shoot here at His Story Photo Studio located in front of SM Tungko, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. This is actually our first time going to the studio because last year we went to their original branch at Novaliches Bayan, Quezon City. And personally, mas gusto ko tong branch nila dito kasi bukod sa maraming parking spaces sa baba, it's just right in front of SM Tungko. So kung kulang man yung nandito na parking, pwede kayong mag-park sa Tungko and then tawid na lang kayo papunta dito. Other than that, feeling ko mas okay yung ambience dito kasi yung original branch nila is nasa palengke. So dito, mas hindi ganun ka-busy yung kalsada. And the reason why we chose this studio again is that feeling ko napaka-efficient ng business process nila. From past experience kasi, yung mga photo studio will take them almost a month bago nila maka-deliver ng output. Unlike dito kay History, napakabilis nila. So imagine yung shoot namin is 4 p.m. Pero by 7 p.m., meron na agad soft copies na unedited na binigay sa akin. So napaka-helpful nun, lalo na kung gagamitin nyo yung photos for your birthday celebration like yung mga boards, Sintra boards, or ipapaprint nyo siya. Malaking bagay na yon. Also, kahit na 1 hour lang yung allotted time per session, nakukuha naman na lahat ng kailangang i-shoot. Sa case nga ni Freya, nakatatlong sets pa kami. Unlike sa ibang studio, yung mga backdrop nila is as in manually nilang ginagawa na may mga styro. Dito kay History, meron na silang mga predefined na backdrops. Predefined? So, printed na sila tapos sasabihin mo na lang doon sa Facebook chat kung ano yung gusto mong mga backdrop. Tapos, kapag nandito na kayo, ilalagay lang nila yan dyan. Tapos, lalagyan nila ng mga additional touch-ups para mas magkaroon ng depth yung background. And by the way, the package that we've availed is what they call the premium package, which costs around 3,299 pesos. So for that package, you get to have all the unedited soft copies of the shoot, and then you get to choose 12 photos wherein they will edit it, and then 3 of those will be framed. They also offer other packages depending on your budget and on your needs. So, i-check nyo na lang yung Facebook page nila or chat nyo sila sa Facebook Messenger. And I think every shoot, they have at least 2 staff na nag-accompany sa inyo. So, yung isa is the main photographer, and then yung isa is yung parang creative director nila na nag-aayos ng backdrop and yung props, and then nagtuturo sa bata kung ano yung posing na gagamitin. And by the way, they also offer gowns for rent na pwedeng magamit on the photo shoot. So, kung ayaw nyong bumili ng gown kasi minsan lang gagamitin, pwede kayong mag-inquire sa kanila kung ano yung gown na pwede nyong i-rent. Although I think majority ng mga gowns dito is best for 1 to 2 years old dahil majority din yata ng clients nila is mga babies na mag-1 year old. And ayan, ito na yung third set ni Freya. Actually, yung original package inclusion is 2 themed set lang and then isa for the family, with the family. But sa case namin, nag-request kami na mag-opt out na lang kami ng mommy and daddy. Tapos si Freya na lang lahat yung nasa picture. Kaya meron siyang pang third set, which is si Kuromi, na talaga namang kinakaaliwan ng mga bagets ngayon. Also, if I'm not mistaken, makukuha na namin yung edited soft copies 1 week after the shoot, and then yung actual print ng pictures, yung 3 doon naka-frame, makukuha namin 2 weeks after the shoot. So talagang mabilis yung process dito sa History photoshoot, kaya naman gustong-gusto namin dito. And probably, we will go back again next year kapag 5th pre-birthday shoot naman ni Freya. Ito naman yung sinasabi kong 12 photos na i-edit nila, so ilalagay nyo lang yung file name dyan. One last thing to note is itong branch na ito, located siya sa 3rd floor or 4th floor yata nung building, and wala silang elevator. So you might want to consider that if ever you'll be bringing a stroller or a senior citizen. Like for Freya's case, dapat kasama yung lola niya. But when we found out that walang elevator, di na siya sumama. And since nasa tapat nga lang ito ng SM Tungko, after ng photoshoot, tumawid na lang kami. Dumiretso na kami doon. So ayan, hopefully you find this video helpful and useful when you're planning your little one's pre-birthday shoot with His Story Photo Studio. Thank you and talk to you again soon!